In the fast-paced world of technology, the ability to innovate quickly is paramount. Google AI Studio has rapidly evolved into an indispensable tool for developers and creators, dramatically accelerating the journey from a simple idea to an interactive prototype. Imagine this common scenario: a client or your manager presents a new requirement. This is precisely where Google AI Studio steps in, transforming your initial thoughts into tangible results in minutes, not days. Let's put this to the test with a real-world challenge. Our goal is to build a simple application for a doctor's clinic. The core requirement is a token queue system. The first user should be able to enter their phone number to book an appointment and receive a token. The next user who books should automatically be assigned the subsequent token in the queue. Now, let's craft our prompt for Google AI Studio. We'll state our requirement in clear, natural language. Create a web application for a doctor's appointment system. It should have an input field for a phone number and a book appointment button. When a user books, the system should generate a unique token number, starting from 1. Each new booking should get the next number in the sequence. Display the assigned token number back to the user after they book. And just like that, AI Studio gets to work. It's not just generating a static wireframe. It's interpreting our logic, generating the necessary front-end and back-end code, and building a complete interactive prototype. As you can see on the right, our application is now live. Let's test its functionality by entering a few sample phone numbers. Everything works as expected. But what happens when requirements change? This is a constant in any development cycle. Let's say we now need to add a feature to display the current total number of patients in the queue. We don't need to start over, we simply modify our prompt. Let's add also display a live count of the total number of appointments booked so far. Watch closely. AI Studio seamlessly integrates the new request. The underlying code is intelligently refactored, and our user interface instantly updates to reflect this new functionality. This iterative process is incredibly powerful for rapid development and feedback loops. As we look at the results, you'll notice that Google AI Studio has organized all the generated code into a clean and logical folder structure. This provides an excellent foundation to build upon. It is crucial to remember what this tool is designed for. This is not a one-click production-ready solution. Instead, it's a powerful accelerator for prototyping. It handles the initial heavy lifting, allowing you to build and refine your solutions at an unprecedented speed. You can take this generated code base, understand its structure, and then enhance it with your own expertise and complex logic. Start building your next big idea today. Thank you for watching.